My people, a lot of things are happening in Nigeria. As we don't close our eyes, so say we no talk again. Make we dey watch as it dey play. Now they can't call us, say can't see wetin dey happen. If you look for my screen, there go see so many things wey don't happen for inside that place. You know, say sometimes you see the Yoruba medias, they come outside, sit down for TikTok, they talk. Igbo no lock themselves, for Igbo no love themselves, Igbo no love themselves, Igbo no like themselves. Now, what is happening in Yoruba land? Omo, no be small thing o. For inside last week, they say Fulani herdsmen don kpai many people, which will show you people the videos for inside Yoruba land. And today again, see what is happening in Yoruba land. The community in Osun State, as the community they crash with each other for inside Yoruba. So this is a lesson gift, and you will not see Yoruba media reporting all these things, so you will not see them talking about it. But when you come to Igbo matter, hey, Igbo people not love themselves, hey, this one, that one, this here no be Igbo, here be Igbo, here be this one. And they are not talking about what is happening in their land. And for one Nigeria's people, when I don't see you waiting the ISWAP, Abi ISIS, Abi Al-Qaeda, Abi Boko Haram do to these soldiers where they watch for here. And there's many videos like this on internet today. And the Nigeria government have not made any comments. I have not seen them mobilizing or shouting wuja 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 to go there and fight them. But you will see the Nigeria soldiers in the streets because you wear Nigeria military uniform. You see them harassing you. You will see the Nigeria soldier. See, in our blood, when a soldier see you wearing this uniform, they are happy to see you wearing the uniform. Because there are people hate the uniform, they don't want to wear it. So when they see you wearing it, they are happy seeing you. But we Africa brain, where they wear our uniform, you know, they can't train where we go through. I for bring the video come up, but unfortunately I don't have the video here. So now you see, this is where they happen for Nigeria. Just go River State, go see wetin dey happen for inside River State o. For that side, no be small gbege dey happen for inside River State. The Niger Delta militant don come outside come talk say they no go gree. And these people now talk say the Nigeria government and Nigeria military say they no go gree. They must make sure say Tinubu order effect for that place. My people, all these things is a message give to the Federal Republic of Nigeria that Nigeria have overdue. People is tired. You cannot maintain something you did not create. Even a house you bought, sometimes you say, I'm not the one that built this house, so let me renovate it to my taste. And you put the house in order to yourself. This is the example of what is happening in Nigeria today. You can't keep maintaining what you did not build because you want power to be in your hand and you want to impress your colonial masters. While their own country is good, they're enjoying freedom, they work in the night, they come back, no insecurity, there is okay, they are peaceful, they are paying their children, they are dashing money, they are giving bonuses to the people who are working. But in your own country is 0/100. And you will see some Nigeria coming out to support these politicians. You will see Nigeria coming out to say, I am APC. I support Tinubu. Tinubu for life is going to fix Nigeria. The other people are saying, no, this is not right. And the other people will start fighting each other. And this is the country you say you work. The country is not gonna work for anybody. So the earlier the better this one Nigerians or this Nigeria of a thing get off our head and let us everybody return to where it is and let's build what we want for ourselves. If we're gonna be together, then we'll give ourselves condition of being together. If that's not gonna work, let there be a total freedom of everybody. Everybody stand on their own and build their country. Look at the Westerners, look at the Europeans, look at their countries. Some of them are not even up to a state in Nigeria, but we are together killing ourselves. The governors, because they have the power, you can join the security, you can join everything. You don't want to speak the truth. Nobody in this country, and people are dying like crayfish. People are dying like fowl in this country. However, I'm going to play the videos of what is happening also, or show for you people to watch, and before we come back and proceed.
ẹ ṣàánú wa lòbù ti tán. Lòbù ti tán, kí ló dé fẹ́ pa wá tán ni? Kí ló dé? Ẹ ṣàánú wa. Ẹ ṣàánú wa. Ẹ ṣàánú wa. Ẹ ṣàánú wa, ẹ fẹ́ pa wá tán ni.
Táwọn ọlọ́pàá báwọn Ìfọ̀n àti Ìlóbù nínú ọjà Ìlóbù la wà yìí tó jẹ́ pé ó ń jóná lọ́wọ́ tó ń jóná gidigidi nínú ọjà Ìlóbù gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe ń wò báyìí iná lálàlá láàrin ìfàǹfà tó ń wáyé láàrin Ẹ̀rìn Ọ̀ṣun Ìfọ̀n àti Ìlóbù nínú ọjà tá a wà yìí ní ọjà Ìlóbù ṣe ti rí bó ṣe wá ń jó wọnú lọ nìyẹn o láti inú ọjà bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ń jó wọnú lọ sí inú ìlú bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ń jó wọlé lọ sí inú ìlú inú ọjà Ìlóbù gangan la láǹfààní àti wà yìí ọjà Ìlóbù rèé tó ń jóná lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ṣùgbọ́n bó ṣe ń jó yìí ó ń jó wọnú ilé lọ ni ó ń jó wọnú ìlú lọ ni láti inú ọjà àjọ panápaná ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun mo mọ̀ wípé ẹ ti gbọ́ ìròyìn láti òru ṣùgbọ́n kò tíì sí ìgbésẹ̀ kankan gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ti ń wò báyìí ó ń jóná kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ń jóná kọjá àfẹnusọ nínú ọjà Ìlóbù àtàláǹfààní àti wàyí kò í ṣe wípé ohun tí a lè fi ẹnu ròyìn ṣùgbọ́n tí èèyàn bá débẹ̀ kò tíì sí àjọ panápaná kankan kò tíì sí gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun.
Okay, my people, this is the things that happen in Osun State, and this is the situation in that particular side right now. Now I'm going to play you the videos, the one that coming out from Edo State as we speak right now, for you to see what is happening in Edo, and I'm going to play the video of the military for you to also hear from this our sister. Stay tuned.
Situation report. Situation report. I repeat, situation report. This is Uku community in the Southwest local government area of Edo State. You can see to whom it may concern. We are under attack. Uku Kingdom. Uku is under attack. We are under attack right now. The Fulani herdsmen, they have blocked the road. They killed Mr. Dan and the Bilama living in Uku in the bush this morning. And some people, we are still looking for some people now in the bush. We are under attack. We are under attack. Uku community is under attack by Fulani herdsmen. You can see everywhere. They have killed one man right now in the bush. Yes. To whom it may concern, please, we need the government support. We need rescue. We need to be rescued from the mayhem. Please, anyone that is so concerned about this, we are reporting live from Uku. Live from Uku, Eastern West local government area of Edo State. Please, this is a situation report. We are dying. Fulani herdsmen, they are killing us. In this broad daylight, this is 10:35 a.m. You can see, we are under attack. We are under attack. Please.
People, what is the true mission of the Funanis in Nigeria today is very clear. They want to take over your land, Islamize you and control you, take over your resources. But most of you people keep sleeping. Come to TikTok and be talking nonsense. Your state is gone. come to TikTok and be talking rubbish or Facebook, your state is going. Now watch this military men, how this ISWAP use spy all of them. Watch.
Take a look at these 3 soldiers. These 3 soldiers are all gone. They were publicly executed by ISWAP on 15th of March 2025. This ISWAP, they made a video where they were publicly executing these 3 people. They posted it online. The government, they watched it. The leaders, they watched it. The president, the presidency, the House of Reps, the House of Senate, the representatives, they all watched this video. And as of today, 22nd of March, that I'm making this a week ago, none of the governments or the leaders or the House of Reps has said anything about these people. They are only interested in declaring state of emergency in Rivers State. They don't care about fixing this country. They only care, in fact, they are here to play politics. The APC administration is here to just play politics. You can tell me why the soldiers who protect lives and property, who protect the country, were public disgraced and executed, and the presidency, the president, nobody, the leaders, nobody have said anything about these people. Such a shame. Such a shame. You see this administration? We are in trouble. We are in a great trouble. They don't care about the lives and property. They only want to be in charge. They just want to play politics. They're only interested in making this country a one-party state. It's such a shame. Nigeria is heading to doom. Anyway, everything I said here is allegedly. Allegedly.
People, if you still believing in this British project called Nigeria, you are deceiving yourself. In fact, the future of your children, they have no future in that country. I'm telling you the truth. So just imagine if we don't have such a government, how far we have gone by now. But because of these people, have the people that work for them in Nigeria, so for that reason, you are not going anywhere. Anything you have today is a quarter of what you're supposed to have. Please share this video and drop your own opinion in comment section.